Hi children, good morning all. Welcome back to our class. In this class, the last class we studied how to construct 30 degree, 60 degree, then 90 degree, 45 degree. All of you study that. Okay. Today we are going to study how to construct an angle 15 degree. First we are going to study how to construct angle 15 degree. Okay. Our first question is construct 15 degree. For this, first we have to draw a line. At any centimeter you can draw. And name this, you can name anything. P, Q or A, B, anything. Okay. 15 degree is the half of 60 degrees, 30 degree. Then the half of 30 degrees, 15 degree. So first we have to construct this 60 degree. Okay. So that take your compass and at any arc you can take a convenient radius of your compass. The tip of the compass at P, draw an arc like this. Okay, we can cut this. Now you get 60 degree. We need only 15 degree. So the other construction, that is 60 and 30, is using dotted line. Mark the point of intersection. You can this use by using dotted line. Okay, so close this. Now we get 60 degree. Then we need 30 degree. So put the tip of the compass at here. That is this point. This is A and it is B. Draw the bisector of this AB, this arc AB. Put the tip of the compass at A, draw an arc like this. At B, cut the arc like this and mark the point of intersection. We get this as 15 degree. This is 15 degree. And this point, this is C. Then draw the bisector of this AC. That is, put the tip of the compass at A, draw an arc like this, and at C, cut the arc like this. Okay. And mark the point of intersection. Here the point of intersection, mark this. This is the required 15 degree. Okay, understood. Next question is construct 22 and half degree. How to construct 22 and half degree? Our next question is construct 22 and half degree. 22 and half degree, for this first we need 90 degree, because the 90 degree, the half of this 90 degree is 45, isn't it? Then half of this 45 is 22 and half. So first we construct 90 degree. So first we draw a line segment AB, A, B and drew a convenient arc like this. You can draw a convenient arc, and we just cut this arc 2 times. This is the first cutting. From this, put the tip of the compass here, and it is the second cutting. Draw an arc here also, and tip of the compass set here and cut the arc. Okay, then mark the point of intersection. Now we get 90 degree. We need only 22.5 degree. So this 90 degree is using, draw the line using only dotted line. Okay. Close the arrow mark. Now find the bisector of this 90. That be the 45 degree. So put the tip of the compass here. Draw an arc using a convenient arc you can take in your compass. Okay. So put the tip of the compass at here and draw an arc like this, and from here cut the arc. Mark the point of intersection and draw the line using dotted line, because of we need only 22.5 degree. So we use only dotted line. Now we get 45 degree. Then next we construct for bisector of this 45, that is 22.5. So this is P and it is Q. Okay, put the tip of the compass at P. If you need, then you can change this arc, otherwise it's no need. Okay, then put the tip of the compass at here and draw an arc like this, and at Q cut the arc. Okay, and mark the point of intersection. Join to this point of intersection to A. This is A, B, and it is C. This is the required 22.5 degree. Okay, understood. Next is how to construct, the third question is how to construct 75 degree. Our third question is construct 75 degree. In this case, first for this construction, first we need, that is 60 degree and then 90 degree. See children, this is 60 and it is 90. Between this angle it is 30. So bisector of this is 15 degree. That is 60 plus 15 equal to 75. So for this construction we need angle 60 and angle 90. So first we take the scale and we draw a line segment AB. A, B. Draw an arc. You can take a convenient arc. Okay, we just to cut the arc 2 times. And here we construct 90 degree. Now you know about how to construct that 90 degree because of we studied that 90 degree. The construction of 90 degree we studied in the last class. So we know about how to construct 90 degree in a very simple method. So draw the line segment. We need only 75 degrees, so other lines are using dotted lines we have to construct. Now this is 60 degree. That's also, if you need, then you can draw a line. Otherwise, no need this. Just keep the mind only. Okay. And put the tip of the compass at this here. Put the tip of the compass at 60. You draw an arc like this. Okay. And here, the tip of the compass at here, you can draw the line. This is the intersection. So, from here, you just cut the arc and mark the point of intersection. See children, here the point of intersection. And we drew a line to join this A. Close the arrow mark, and it is C. This is 75 degree. Understood? The last question is how to construct 105 degree. First we draw a line segment. A line segment A, B. And then next we construct, at a convenient arc, we construct the angle 90 degree. This is 60 and it is 120 degree. From here we construct 90 degree. Okay, mark the point of intersection here. We draw using dot line because of we need only 105 degree, so we use a dotted line. Put the tip of the compass at here, that is 90 degree. Draw an arc like this. From here, that is 120 degree. Cut the arc. Mark the point of intersection. Join this A to this point of intersection. A, B, and it is C. This is the required 105 degree. Okay, understood? So children, today we studied how to construct angle 15, that is 15 degree, then 22.5 degree, then 75 degree, the last is 105 or 105 degree. So this you have to draw very neatly in your notebook and draw 2 times also, and that notes sent to me. Today itself we have to study these 4 construction. Okay, study well. Thank you.